How to remove browsing history on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove browsing history on Temu. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and now tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen and further tap on the browsing history option you see there. You will then be able to view all your browsing history. Simply tap on the browsing history you want to delete and further tap on the three dots you see there. You will then see the option for delete. Tap on that, and with this, your browsing history will be deleted. Make sure that you can only delete one history at a time in Temu and cannot delete all history at once. So this is how you can remove browsing history on Temu. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.